Hello children! Today we are going to learn the letter S. Let's look at the picture and learn the words that start with the letter S. S for snail. S for starfish. S for ship. S for snake. S for shark. This is the letter S. Reading fun. Now let's read a short story together. Starfish and Snail sailed on a ship while a shark swam below. Snake looks the shark very carefully. STEAM activities. Let's do some fun activities together. S. Tell about the sharkfish. It is a big fish and live in the sea. T. Listen the letter S by watching video. E. Use Play-Doh to make a shape of S. A. Cut a sponge into a sun shape, dip it in yellow paint, and let's stamp sun patterns on paper. M. Count objects beginning with the sound S around you. Word building. Let's spell and read these words. S-U-N, sun. S-A-T, sat. S-U-M, sum. Well done, children. Goodbye.